Hello there, welcome to Coco's Kitchen Corner Nigeria. Today we are going to make coconut rice. So here is our recipe. I already have my parboiled rice here. I'll add my crayfish, after which I'll add my seasoned goat meat and shrimps. I've already added my seasoning, my onion, my salt and pepper, and that will be okay for my food, so I don't need to add any other seasoning. So I just put it right into the rice. After which I'll add my coconut milk, an extra chopped onion. Generally, coconut rice is meant to be softer than your normal fried rice and jollof rice. So here I am, but I prefer mine softer and creamier. So follow my recipe, stir it carefully. Don't turn it like you're turning your semo. So after it has boiled, so when the water is almost dried up, you add your fruit tomato. So here is our fish. I just seasoned my dry fish with a little water, pepper, onion, seasoning, and salt, just that. So I steamed it for a while so it won't scatter when it's cooking inside the rice. So I have to put it when the water is almost dried up, and here you are. Your coconut rice is ready. Creamy. And set now. I hope you enjoyed my video. Drop your comments, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification to stay updated for new videos.